Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside wire stripper with opening spring and lots instruction included inside. Quickly and accurately strips cable insulation. You can see here. You can use it for regular cables from 0.5 to 6 mm, for RG59 and RG6 coax cable, for NIM cables 8 to 13 mm, for cables cut crosswise and lengthwise. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. We've got, of course, the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Here we've got the lock mechanism. Just press and it will open. We can see there's the cutters. And here we've got the wire cutter at the middle. There it is, the wire cutter for regular cables. And the cut blade for NIM cables. And from the other side here inside, we've got the cutter plate for sliding cables. Nice. Well, let's try it. Lock, unlock. Nice. We've got some rubber, soft rubber around. You can grab it very well. It feels very nice to my hand. And of course here we've got the diameters. We've got from 0.5 to 6, RG659 for these two holes. And here we've got again 8 to 13 millimeters for this. And for the cutter inside here, it says 8 to 13 millimeters. Now I'm going to try it starting with a smaller. And I think the smaller goes right here at the 1 millimeter. I'll just press it. And that was all. Very easy. Clean stripping cable. I don't see any of these metal wires getting out. And we can see it is very clean cut. Let's do it again. You can see I choose this one, the second, press, and very easy. Nice, I like it. Now let's move on to the next. And of course you can cut the cable. Here it is. And you can cut it very easy. You can see from the other side the cable. Next, let's go to the 2.5, press, and very easy, you can see, very clear. Yep, definitely it is a very clear stripping wire. Let's do it again. Press, and that it is. Very easy. I like it, very clean. Now let's move on to the bigger ones. And again, we can cut it and that. And he can cut it very well, no problem. Let's go to the 2.5 again, press, and very easy, you can see this copper cable, clean strip of the cable. Nice, I like it. Let's do it again. Press. It's very easy. And even if you want, you can lock it by pressing. You can lock that. It is locked if it is more convenient for you. Nice, I like it. Now let's move on for taking the second insulation of the cable out. And I'm going to use, this is a cutter blade for sliding cable. Press, and you can see, yep, it's doing a great job. It can slide the insulation, and I don't see any damaged cables. Nice, I like that. And next we can try it on a bigger cable. Six millimeter, press, and that was all. Very easy. The copper, it is in very good condition. You know, sometimes when you are stripping a cable and you've got these thin layers of copper, accidentally you may cut some of these thin copper lines, but with this tool, that is not an option. It can strip very well. And next I've got this Ethernet cable. It goes here, press, rotate, there it is. And we've got a clean cut with no problem. Nice, I like it. And there are the small cables. You can strip them with this. Oh, that's very small. And there it is. Oh, a very clean strip. Nice. I like it. It's a very good tool and it costs only €5 and it can do so many things. Nice. And of course you can use this for a coax cable, for your TV antennas cables. And you can use this for flat cables, NIM cables. I don't have at this time, but I'm sure it will do the job. Nice, thumbs up, I like it. Great. And it can cut this cable. Nice. Perfect. The thickness is too much, but it can do the job. Thumbs up. Great tool. Definitely I will keep it and I will enjoy it. If you are an electrician, definitely it is a tool that you need to have it with you at your bag. And of course for a DIY project, why not? That was all guys, and with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.